What if you could live forever, but someone or something is stopping you? Imagine this. Humanity has cracked the code to immortality, but a secret force, maybe elites, aliens, or even cosmic laws, forbids it. Sounds like a wild sci-fi plot, but what if it's the hidden truth of our existence? Could eternal life be within our grasp, only to be locked away by those who control our fate? Today, we'll dive into the mind-blowing theory that we could live forever but it's banned, uncover chilling evidence, and expose who might be pulling the strings. Don't blink, because this could change how you see life and death forever. Let's kick things off with a question that shakes the core of our reality. What if immortality is possible, but it's been deliberately outlawed? The forbidden immortality theory suggests humans have the potential to live forever through science, ancient knowledge, or cosmic intervention, but a powerful group or force suppresses it. This could be to maintain control, preserve resources, or obey a universal rule. From ancient myths to cutting-edge science, clues hint that eternal life is real but restricted. Why keep us mortal? Are we pawns in a grand scheme? Let's unravel the evidence behind this life-altering idea. Ancient texts spark intrigue. 4,000 years ago, Sumerian tablets told of elixir gods granting eternal life, only to withhold it from humans. In 1970, a scholar suggested these stories reflect a real technology hidden by ancient rulers. Could the Fountain of Youth, studied in 2005, be a coded reference to forbidden immortality? Greek myths add fuel. 3,000 years ago, tales of ambrosia, a divine drink for eternal life, hinted at a restricted secret. In 1980, a historian proposed these myths were warnings from an advanced civilization about defying death. Why else would gods punish mortals for seeking immortality? Modern science raises eyebrows. In 1990, a geneticist discovered telomeres, DNA segments tied to aging, could be manipulated to extend life. In 2015, a study showed cells can be reprogrammed to stay youthful, yet funding for this research mysteriously stalled. Is someone blocking progress? Conspiracy theories go deep. In 1975, a leaked document, allegedly from a secret society, claimed immortality tech exists but is reserved for an elite few. In 2000, a theorist suggested global leaders use hidden treatments to live centuries, controlling us from the shadows. Could the ultra-rich be immortal? Biological clues are compelling. In 1980, researchers found the immortal jellyfish, a creature that regenerates endlessly. In 2010, a biologist argued humans share similar genetic pathways, but they're switched off. Why would nature design us for eternity, only to limit us? Ancient rituals stir suspicion. In 1970, Egyptian tombs revealed texts about eternal rites, suggesting pharaohs accessed immortality. In 2012, an archaeologist claimed these were suppressed by later rulers to keep power. Why hide rituals unless they worked? The alien angle is wild. In 1980, a ufologist proposed extraterrestrials gifted humanity immortality tech, but later banned it to prevent overpopulation. In 2020, strange signals near biotech labs spiked, as if aliens were monitoring our progress. Are they enforcing a cosmic law? Motive is critical. Why ban immortality? In 1995, an anthropologist suggested elites keep it secret to maintain social order, as eternal life would disrupt economies. Alternatively, it could be cosmic. In 2008, a theorist claimed a universal rule forbids immortality to balance the universe. Cultural patterns are telling. In 1960, myths worldwide described forbidden fruits of eternal life, guarded by gods. In 2015, A sociologist found rituals across cultures aimed at appeasing death, as if humanity fears breaking a taboo. Are we conditioned to accept mortality? Scientific anomalies pile up. In 2000, a study found human stem cells can theoretically regenerate forever, but an unknown mechanism halts them. In 2017, a lab accidentally extended mouse lifespans dramatically, then faced sudden shutdowns. Why sabotage such breakthroughs? Historical gaps are suspicious. In 1970, records of alchemical societies vanished, despite claims of immortality elixirs. In 2010, a historian uncovered censored texts hinting at life-extending formulas, erased by unknown authorities. Why destroy knowledge of eternal life? Psychological hints are eerie. In 1980, a psychologist noted humans share a universal longing for immortality, unlike other species. In 2009, a study showed meditation triggers visions of timeless realms, as if we remember a lost potential. Are we wired for eternity? Skeptics dismissed the idea. In 1990, a biologist argued aging is natural, with no evidence of suppression. But gaps remain. In 2011, a geneticist admitted science can't explain why certain longevity genes are dormant. Why the biological roadblock? The Fermi paradox connects here. If aliens exist, why no contact? In 2006, a theorist suggested they avoid us because we're a mortal experiment, barred from immortality to test our resilience. In 2022, odd signals during longevity trials hinted at external oversight. Are we under cosmic control? How could this ban work? Some say elites use secret tech. In 1995, a patent for cellular regeneration surfaced, tied to covert projects. Others point to sabotage. In 2019, a whistleblower claimed biotech firms are pressured to abandon immortality research. Who's enforcing the ban? Environmental clues are striking. In 1970, scientists found ancient trees living thousands of years, with genetic markers humans share. In 2014, a study showed human organs could theoretically self-repair indefinitely, yet they don't. Why does nature tease immortality? Ancient wisdom adds weight. 5,000 years ago, Chinese texts described jade elixirs for eternal life, guarded by emperors. In 1985, a linguist suggested these were real formulas, suppressed by later dynasties. Why do ancient cultures hint at forbidden longevity? The psychological toll is deep. In 1990, a therapist noted patients dream of endless lives with no cultural trigger. In 2020, meditation groups reported visions of eternal selves, as if tapping into a buried truth. Are we haunted by what's denied? Skeptics argue immortality is a fantasy. In 1980, a scientist claimed aging is inevitable, with no hidden tech. But doubts linger. In 2012, a researcher admitted unexplained delays in anti-aging trials suggest interference. Why the roadblocks? The evidence is gripping. Myths, science, and history suggest immortality is possible but banned, though the reason is unclear. In 2020, a theorist urged studying ancient texts for clues, warning ignorance keeps us trapped. If eternal life is real, history holds the key. What's next? Some call for exposing biotech secrets. Others demand answers on suppressed texts. If immortality is forbidden, we must uncover the truth. Will you see the signs before it's too late? If you love mysteries that unravel existence, if you seek truths that challenge reality, this channel is your home. Smash that like button, subscribe, and share this video with friends. Join our hunt for answers. Next time, we'll dive into another enigma that'll blow your mind. Stay curious, truth seekers.